You may be among the 45% of normal adults who snore at least occasionally. Or you likely know someone who does. Try this natural remedy which may help you. Stop snoring, change your sleep position, lose weight, avoid alcohol, practice good sleep, change your pillow, and try this natural remedy. Before starting the remedy, I request you to please subscribe my channel. 1 stick cinnamon stick, boil in a cup of water and drink at night before sleep. Within 3 to 4 days, you get rid of snoring.